Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on Xenia, the leading Xbox 360 emulator. Xenia is an open-source project designed to bring your favorite console classics to your personal computer. It allows you to experience many Xbox 360 titles with potentially enhanced performance and graphics, breathing new life into beloved games. Before diving in, ensure your system meets Xenia's requirements. You'll need a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 operating system. A modern Intel or AMD processor with AVX support is crucial for emulation. Your graphics card must support Direct3D 12 or Vulkan, and we recommend at least 8 GB of RAM for the best experience. An SSD is also suggested for faster loading times. Next, you'll need your Xbox 360 game files, typically in ISO or XBLA format. If your games are compressed, use a tool like 7-Zip to extract them. For proper configuration, create an empty file named Portable (TXT) in your Xenia directory. Consider using Xenia Manager, a user-friendly front-end that simplifies organizing your game library and accessing emulator settings. To launch a game, open Xenia, then go to File and select Open. Browse to your game file, which will often be a .zex or ISO. You can adjust display settings like resolution scaling for improved visuals. For example, changing a value from 1 to 2 can upscale to 1440p. Remember to consult the Xenia compatibility list for specific game performance and known issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.